are as rare as the teeth of a hen. I'm still glad that I killed Donald and took that big poo. Now someone's challenging me, fucking Quarta 2. You had about 3 songs, and each one was shit. Some 2004 Kermit the Frog idiot. So what'll you say now, you froggy fuck? Your rap career is just out of luck. Know something else? You wanna fuck with me? You're gonna become victim 333. Kermit the Frog here. Kermit the Frog here. Kermit the Frog here. Well, I guess I'll start by saying you're fat. You're also a full-on fucking twat. You killed a Mary Brown's employee. Oh wow, look at you, how fucking scary. You do know we're the same person, right? All your shit talking is far from tight. No, I didn't fucking challenge you. You were your victims 332. And guess what? For all of your pain, our name is actually Christopher fucking Grain. What the hell are you talking about? I'm Billy. No, you aren't.